Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix FiveM errors and crashes. So basically, the first thing that you want to do is to simply go ahead and update your GTA client. Now by doing this, you will be able to get rid of some minor bugs and glitches installed within the previous version. From there, you then want to go ahead and simply also update your FiveM application. Now, if this didn't work, we can then head over into add or remove programs. And from here, you then want to look for FiveM. Click on the uninstall button. And right after that, you can just go ahead and install a fresh copy of FiveM to make sure that there is no corrupted files installed within the application. As you can see, it will automatically update the system. Download the necessary files to go ahead and use FiveM. And from there, you just want to use it normally the way you use it, like locating the exe file for GTA, and this will go ahead and fix some minor bugs, errors, and some glitches. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.